Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to have you all here today. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you like the content that you see, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Today I'm going to be showing you how to take your makeup and hair look from day to night. If you're a working woman, then you know that sometimes it's hard to fit everything into your busy, crazy schedule. So today I'm going to show you a simple, easy way to take your daytime work look to nighttime glam. If you want to see how I achieve these looks, then keep on watching. To get started for my daytime look, I first started with my everyday foundation routine. And if you haven't seen that yet, I will link it down below. But I just took my Tarte Amazonian Clay bronzer and I began to contour the hollows of my cheeks, my forehead, under my lip, and the bridge of my nose. For blush, I am using the Tarte Amazonian Clay blush, and this is a really pretty neutral coral shade, so it looks really natural, but it also gives you a pinky finish, and I'm just going to apply this to the apples of my cheeks. And then taking this highlighter, I am just highlighting all of the high points of my face, my cheekbones, the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow, above my eyebrows, my brow bone, and the inner corners of my eyes. And then taking that bronzer again, I am just using a blending brush and I am blending that bronzer into my crease. And going back in with the highlighter, I'm going to apply this on the inner corners of my eye and under my brow bone. And I do this because it helps your eyes look more awake. So if you put a highlighter in the inner corner of your eye or a lighter shade, you will appear more awake. Next step, I am using the L'Oreal Lash Paradise Mascara, and this is my all-time favorite mascara. It volumizes, it's so good. And I'm just going to finish off this look with a nude lipstick, and I think it really just pulls the whole glowy office look together. So that is our daytime look. I love how it turned out. Very natural, very glowy, perfect for the office. So to get started for our nighttime look, I'm taking these glow luminizing drops and I am just applying them in every place I applied the powder highlighter before, because for nighttime we want to look super highlighted and super glowy. You can apply these drops with your finger, with your brush like I'm doing here, or with a dampened beauty blender. Now that we are super highlighted, I'm going in with this Tarte blush, and this one is a little bit brighter of a pink, but it still looks natural and it blends out so easily. And I'm just applying this to the apples of my cheeks. Going in with this darker brown shade, I am blending this into my crease. Taking this purple color, I'm using a flat shadow brush and I am just smoking this into my lower lash line. And then I'm just going to take a blending brush and smoke out my lower lash line. And then I'm going to apply a cream eyeliner on top, and I'm going to smoke out that eyeliner as well. And of course, apply more mascara for more volume. And then I finish off the look with this really pretty hot pink lip color. Now for our nighttime hair, it is so easy to make a messy ponytail look put together, especially for nighttime, date night, going out, whatever it is that you're doing. So all I'm going to do is tease my hair, throw my hair into a ponytail, and then pull out some pieces to make it as messy as I want. So I'm just pulling out pieces that frame my face, loosening up my ponytail just a little bit for some extra volume. And y'all, that's it. Throw in some super cute jewelry, a cute necklace, and that is our nighttime look. It is so easy to take this look from day to night. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!